Okay, we continue line creation comment in here in this menu. We have two similar comments that are far from each other in the icons that I will explain you both of them now. The first tool is create a line through points, or create a polyline through a points. As I said before, you can insert multiple points from here. As you can see, I insert multiple points from here. Okay, done. When you select all of them and select line through the points, as you can see, it's average of all of them calculated, and a straight line will be created in between them. This is simple line through points. If you select the comment, that software tells you please select point or meshes. You can select meshes also. I will explain you now. But another interesting comment is polyline. If you select them, the line going between all of the point and create a line for you. First, you have to select your point, click and drag to select your point, and right click. As you can see, it's create a line between point. But before finishing, the software gives you some setting for changing your curve. Here you can change between degrees 1 or 3. If you select it, you can change it degree 3. I will explain you curve degrees, but type 3 for a smooth curve. The interpolate curve or degree 1 is a polyline. So you can change the degree. You can change the type, curve type, interpolated. Interpolated means the curve going exactly through the points. But if you click on it and change it to the control point, it changes the point to the control point and control the curveness of your spline or curve. Click it, going to interpolate. Click it, going to the point. Okay, if you go into the control point, we have just setting that close. It closes this spline for you. If you go into interpolated, we have knots. You can change knots between uniform chord or square chord. As you can see, it changed the how to draw a line. Okay, you can change the line interpolation between points, in between two knots. Select one of them. The default is uniform. To going back to setting. If your setting is your desire that you want, you can right click or enter to be done. As you can see, this is our curve that has control points that's made of that points. Okay, you can select meshes. It's very simple, not useful, but I show you. Going to mesh tool, create a simple mesh plane. I want to select points of them, and just this tool can create a point from meshes. You can select it. Before that, you have to select your mesh. To point of mesh. To select point of mesh, as I said before in the previous lessons, going a select menu, you can go in here and activate a point, and the filter will be activated here. That just you can select your point. As you can see, you can select your point, holding shift to select some points, and after that you can execute the command. As you can see, it's created just single line, average of your points selected. To turning back your filter, it's very important. Right click on here, selection filter none, to go everything back in default. Okay, that's polyline through points and line through points.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.